Ben Lake.
Your chairmanship, and I should like to thank the Honourable Member for Dewsbury and Batley for securing this very important debate and for outlining so impressively both the real benefits that have already been realised by narrow AI systems, the potential benefits, but perhaps most importantly the real risks to human safety and security that more advanced systems pose. And I should like just to make one very simple point in my remarks today, Ms Butler, in that whilst I think that we do need to recognise the benefits of AI and the development of various models, we should adopt a safety-first approach, especially when it comes to the development of more advanced AI systems. And I'm very concerned that the apparent sort of arms race that we're witnessing with various big AI companies, tech companies, for the race towards advanced and superintelligence, and other advanced AI models, that we don't have that democratic control, as the Honourable Member opposite so eloquently put it, over these things that could have real impact on the lives of our constituents and society, indeed civilization, more broadly put. And as the Honourable Member for Dewsbury and Batley outlined in his speech, we've already found some advanced models deploying those some techniques to try and avoid human control. Apollo Research undertook some research and found examples of, I think, OpenAI's, one of OpenAI's models, which try to deceive users to accomplish its goals, and perhaps most worryingly, disable monitoring mechanisms and guardrails. So these are real risks to the development of AI and things that we should be taking very seriously. It's no wonder, therefore, that leading AI experts, they've already mentioned Al Jeffrey Hinton, Joshua Bengio, they've called for that prohibition of research and development of superintelligence until there is that scientific consensus that it can be done safely and with some degree of human and democratic control. But to be effective, such a prohibition has to be global. We have to have the buy-in of the big AI powers, not just the EU, but America, the United States and China. And that regard, I'd like to lay a challenge to the Minister, because I do think the UK Government can lead on these efforts to use its unique convening power, as was demonstrated back in 2023, to bring these AI superpowers together for an AI safety summit. And I appreciate that following 2023 and the Bletchley Park summit, there have been subsequent summits, I think in New Delhi, and I think there's one coming up in Paris. The one thing that I would urge caution on, though, is those summits seem to be prioritising the potential economic benefits of AI and growth. My argument is that I think we've got the growth side of things sorted, but we need to focus again on the safety, and a global consensus and a prohibition on superintelligence until we understand and can control it would be a great benefit to society.
Thank you.